Hello and welcome to Food Simplified. Today we'll be making protein smoothie bowl. For that I have taken one banana and half a cup of toned milk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I'm using My Protein's pea protein isolate. You can use any protein powder that you have. For garnish, we'll take a few slices of banana, a tablespoon of Choco chips and a tablespoon of mixed seeds. This is basically a mix of pumpkin, flax and sesame seed. In a blender, we'll put banana, milk, vanilla essence and a scoop of protein powder. I'm not using sugar in this recipe. If you want, you can add a teaspoon or two. In this recipe, what I generally do is before garnishing, I put the bowl in the freezer for almost 30 minutes so that it becomes super chilled and it gets an ice cream like texture. That's it for this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like it and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Simplified. Thanks for watching.